What you're looking at here is an ASCII chart, and as you recall, ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, which means that a capital letter A on a keyboard goes into memory as a 41, from memory it goes back to the screen as a capital letter A. So this chart shows the translation between characters and hex values, and also it gives, in this particular chart, decimal equivalent values for 41 and all the other numbers. Now what you're going to find is that the hex values from 20 through 7E form all of the printable ASCII characters. 7F here is a delete key, and what you're going to find is if we take a look here, small letter A is a 61 hex. If we hold down the shift key and press A, we get a 41. The effect of pushing the shift key down goes from lowercase to uppercase, and that means a translation of a difference of 20 hex. 60 minus 20 hex is 41. So all of these lowercase values here from A to Z are offset by 20 to the uppercase here. So holding the shift key down drops the value here by 20. If we happen to hold down Control and press A, we get a 01. Control B is a 02, 03 is Control C, and so on. For instance, if we go to the 7th letter of the alphabet, which is G, and we do Control G, we'll get an audible beep. Control H is a backspace, which will move the cursor back on the screen one position. Control I, which is the 9th letter of the alphabet, is a tab, which will make it go to the next tab position. So if your tab key stops working, you can do Control I. Control J is a line feed, which will move you vertically straight down without any horizontal movement. 0C is the 12th letter of the alphabet, happens to be an L, so Control L will do a form feed. And on a printer, that means it ejects paper. On a screen, it means it's going to clear the screen. And finally here, 0D here, which is Control M, 13th letter of the alphabet, will put the cursor back to the start of the same line. So you can generate 01 through 1A here by Control A through Control Z. Let's take a look at the alternate character set. And the alternate character set goes from 80 through FF. And these form what's called code page 437. We're going to see that later when we set up PuTTY, so that it will be able to generate characters such as a degree symbol using F8. And one of the things you'll find is that the degree symbol F8 only works on PCs or PC compatibles. If we want to send a degree symbol to an LCD, we have to send a DF. So when we send a 41, let's go back, if we send a 41 here to an LCD, we get the capital letter A. We send a 41 to a PC screen, we get a capital letter A. But what we're going to find is that if we send an F8 to a PC screen, we get a degree symbol, but sending a DF here will give a degree symbol on an LCD. So these alternate characters, or sometimes called extended ASCII characters, are not the same for different devices and even different computers such as Linux machines, Macs, and PCs. These are not standardized.